So today we have this interesting question from geometry. Let's see how to solve this. Here we are given a triangle ABC and two line segments AD and BH. AD, as we can see, is the angle bisector because these two angles are equal, alpha and alpha. BH is the height of triangle ABC from side AC. If BH is the height, what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 degree, because whenever we are saying that BH is height, that means BH is perpendicular to side AC. Yes, that is why this angle will turn out to be 90 degree. Correct? Because height we always take perpendicularly, right? Apart from that, we are given this angle as 4 alpha. Correct? And what do we need to find out? We need to find out angle CAB. That means CAB, this angle we need to find out. Correct? So let's see how we can find this angle. Let this point be point E. Okay? So let's start with triangle AEB. Yes. So in this triangle, we have angle alpha plus 4 alpha plus angle ABH. These three angles add up to 180. Correct? So that means angle ABH will be equal to 180 minus 5 alpha. 180 minus 5 alpha, because alpha plus 4 alpha will be 5 alpha. Correct? So let's mark this here in the figure. This angle is 180 minus 5 alpha. Correct? So let's jump to a different triangle now. We will jump to right triangle AHB. Yes, in this triangle we have angle A plus angle AHB plus angle ABH. These three angles add up to 180 degree. Angle A we can see is 2 alpha. AHB is 90 degree, as we know that BH is perpendicular to AC. And ABH we just now found it, 180 minus 5 alpha. Correct? This add up to 180. Now we can cancel out 180 and 180 from both the sides. We will be left with minus 3 alpha is equals to minus 90. That means alpha will turn out to be 30 degree. But this is not a final answer. We need to find angle CAB. Angle CAB is nothing but double of alpha. Alpha plus alpha. Correct? So this is 2 alpha, which is 2 times 30, which is 60 degree. So angle CAB is 60 degree. This is our final answer.